Hi YouTube, it's Alex, and today I'm going to show you two unmarked police cars in GTA. The first one is a blue sedan, and this isn't one that's always on the road. This one is you have to get with Franklin, and it's in the drug bust. It comes in loads of colours. I'm going to show you inside. That's the siren. So, steering wheel, and then the radio, and then the music radio. You see the flashing lights. Then the bars behind me. And now the black SUV. This one is not very rare. This one comes out when a police chase or a shootout is very dangerous. And I had to do that to get this. So let's have a look inside this one. So as you can tell, the sign is very different between the sedan one and the SUV one. It's got a phone holder. It hasn't got a radio in this car. It's got a music radio. The back is for other officers. So yeah, that's just a normal civilian car. So yeah, I just wanted to show these two police cars off. I have uploaded tons of other videos on my channel, so please check them out, and just type in Alex Masterson and you'll see them. You'll see all the videos. So enjoy and see you next time.